Blackie where you go, Blackie where you go, Blackie where you go. Verydarkman make first public appearance since his release from EFCC. Okay, guys, Verydarkman don't carry in your tomoko come out as usual. He was seen. Verydarkman returned to his old house. We all know that Verydarkman has moved out from his old house. He's now in a new place. But Verydarkman went back to his old house. Now they way in jazz start. Now they way Papa been there, they cook in jazz before he come out. He went back to his old house as he pumped out again. He said now they have 4 arms of government in Nigeria. He said they now have 4 arms of government in Nigeria: the legislature, the judiciary, the executive, and the rattles. Or more. He feel the weight of the rattles as he was arrested because they came out in numbers to protest and fight for his release. Verydarkman is out. He's ready yet to give an official statement of what happened or what transpired between him and the EFCC, but he's just letting everybody know that Taki is back and he's back for the better. We all know that the EFCC is still with Verydarkman's phone and car even after his release. His lawyer, Mr. Deji, made the announcement that since Verydarkman was released, his phone, his car was still with the EFCC, but Verydarkman is out and he's ready to get back to work.
All right. So first of all, we now have 4 arms of government: the legislature, the judiciary, the executive, and the rattle movement. You're going on.
The president of Nigeria, Ahmed Tinubu, was in Anambra State yesterday, where he commissioned some massive project in Anambra State done by the executive governor of Anambra State, Mr. Charles Soludo. It was a fun event. He also commissioned the new government house built by the governor and also a massive fun city in Anambra State. It was a massive occasion with a lot of Nigerians who came out to support Charles Soludo, who has been doing a fantastic job for Anambra State. Ahmed Tinubu came with massive security, and I was asking myself, so Anambra State have this amount of security and we are getting this amount of complaints and kidnapping in the state, which is really funny and really sad. Almost 200 cars was seen on the convoy of the president when he arrived Anambra State yesterday. It was super crazy. I'll be sharing with you full highlight of how the thing went down. Drop a comment below, tell what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
No, this security you know, but I need to kidnap mad every day. So, all this security to Obodo. Again, no, this security to Obodo, I need to make kidnapping. Again, mother will go in Navia. Okay, we go down pass. You didn't go home to the again, okay, we go. Okay, then I want to go. We go. Okay, you don't pass. Okay. Mota cavos quando no. Mota was one no. You don't ever know. Aga go konoka gala mota go no. Always go moto no because now, all this security in Obodo and they make it happen. And machine security are run. Security on a game to go over. Again, Mandem Molepa. Kewan go. Tinubu ekwuo na ya aka ka anyị gba ma ọ gago iwe nke ọsọ moto dị iwe nke biko nụ. Alright. Nwanne m brother daalụ nụ na wedo. Ogene dị biko nụ. Moto aka bọsịkwa n'ụlọ. Anchakwa alụba n'ụzọ emeba na alụba. Always when they am even a barak biko nụ. Hey, ọkọta akalịkwa. Ọnya nke so Tinubu agaghị ka ya mala nke ọba ahụ. Oluzi ekwe ma ọ ledi ya ya malụ. Nye odukọ nya security wa niile oboye ka a na-eche o. Una rịsọ na Tinubu nwa gakwa anyway sha ike dị m nje ekwu eme luzi ekwu eme nkọwa alụ unu.
I'm going to count 3 times. I'm going to put it around your neck. First time, second time, and the third time, I will leave it. And I'm going to count in Igbo. Ofu, Igwa. Should I go ahead?
Anambra.